Why should every entrepreneur consider an e-commerce website today? In recent years, there's been a seismic shift towards digital shopping. It's not just a trend, it's a full-blown revolution in the way commerce is conducted. The allure of e-commerce isn't just in the vastness of its reach, but in its remarkable accessibility. Even small businesses can now tap into global markets with ease. Imagine the possibilities when geographical boundaries are no longer a barrier. A boutique in Paris can sell effortlessly to customers in New York. An artisan in Bali can reach an enthusiast in London. This global marketplace is made more enticing by the cost-effectiveness of running an e-commerce platform. Traditional brick-and-mortar stores involve hefty overheads like rent and utilities, expenses that can be significantly trimmed down with an online store. Moreover, the digital tools available today make managing an e-commerce site increasingly straightforward, allowing entrepreneurs to focus more on their products and less on logistics. Clearly, the digital marketplace is where the future of shopping continues to evolve. Why pick WordPress for your e-commerce venture? Well, let's dive into it. WordPress is one of the most popular platforms for building websites, with nearly 1/3 of all websites on the internet powered by it. This popularity is not just by chance. WordPress is renowned for its flexibility, allowing you to customize every aspect of your site to fit your unique needs and vision. But that's not all. WordPress boasts a large and active community, always ready to help with any challenges you might face. On top of that, WordPress offers a plethora of plugins and themes specifically tailored for e-commerce. This means you can easily add features like shopping carts, product galleries, and secure payment options to your site. With WordPress, you're not just building a website, you're crafting an engaging online store where your products can truly shine. So in the world of e-commerce, WordPress is truly a game changer. With WordPress, the power to craft an engaging online store is literally at your fingertips. Starting from scratch, setting up a WordPress site is straightforward. First, let's talk about choosing a hosting provider. When it comes to e-commerce, not just any hosting will do. You need a provider that offers robust performance, excellent uptime, and importantly, e-commerce friendly features like SSL certificates and easy installation of shopping carts. Some hosting providers also offer specialized WordPress plans, which might include pre-installed plugins and themes that are optimized for e-commerce. Once you've selected your hosting provider, the next step is to install WordPress. This is usually a one-click process through your hosting control panel. Look for the WordPress icon. It's typically found under the website or apps section. Clicking on it will guide you through the installation process. It's as simple as selecting your domain and clicking install. Within minutes, WordPress will be ready to go. Speaking of domains, choosing the right domain name is crucial. It's not just a URL, it's your brand's identity on the web. Aim for something short, memorable, and relevant to your niche. If you're selling eco-friendly products, for example, you might want something that hints at nature or sustainability. Once these steps are completed, your foundation for an online store is set. Now, with WordPress installed and your domain set up, you're ready to move on to the exciting world of e-commerce with the addition of WooCommerce, which we will explore in the next scene. Now transform your WordPress site into an e-commerce powerhouse with WooCommerce. Let's dive into the installation process of this dynamic plugin. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New and then type WooCommerce into the search bar. You'll see the WooCommerce plugin pop up as a primary search result. Click Install Now and watch as WordPress works its magic. After the installation is complete, you'll need to activate the plugin by clicking Activate. Voila! WooCommerce is now ready to add muscle to your online store. But what exactly does WooCommerce bring to the table? Well, it allows you to create detailed product listings with images, descriptions, and prices. It integrates seamlessly with various payment gateways, ensuring your customers can pay easily and securely. Furthermore, it adds features like shopping carts and customer accounts, essentially everything you need to run an online store efficiently. With WooCommerce installed, your site is starting to look like a true online store. Let's populate your store with products and set up how you'll get paid. To start with, you'll want to add your products. This is where you showcase what you have to offer. Begin by navigating to the product section in your dashboard. Here you can add product names, detailed descriptions, and set your prices. Don't forget to include high-quality images that accurately represent your product. Now let's talk about product categories. Categorizing your products will make it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. You can create categories based on product type, size, color, or any other attribute that makes sense for your store. Next, let's dive into setting up your payment gateways. This is how you'll receive payments from customers when they make a purchase. WordPress and WooCommerce offer a variety of payment options to choose from. You have the popular PayPal and credit card options, but also other gateways like Stripe and Square. Setting up these payment options is quite straightforward. Simply navigate to the WooCommerce settings, click on the Payments tab, and select your desired payment methods. Remember, the more options you provide, the easier it is for your customers to complete their purchases. So we've added products, categorized them, and set up our payment gateways. We're making great strides towards launching your online store. With products displayed and payment methods set, your store is almost ready to launch. Aesthetic appeal can significantly impact customer experience. When diving into the world of WordPress, you'll find that the platform offers a plethora of customization options to ensure your online store not only functions well, but also looks fantastic. Start by exploring various WordPress themes. These themes are not just about colors and fonts. They also structure your site's layout and can drastically alter how your store feels to visitors. For those looking to add a unique touch, numerous plugins are available that extend the functionality and aesthetic of your site. From advanced sliders that showcase your products in a dynamic fashion to widgets that improve user navigation, the possibilities are vast. Remember, the interface should be user-friendly. A complicated design might look impressive, but could deter customers if it's not intuitive. Also, ensuring your site is mobile responsive is crucial. In today's world, a significant portion of online shopping is done via smartphones and tablets. A visually appealing store is more likely to attract and retain customers. Before launching, a thorough test ensures everything works smoothly. Testing is the unsung hero of a successful e-commerce site. It's crucial to test all functionalities of your site, from the ease of navigation to the seamlessness of transactions. Imagine your customer's journey as they explore your site. They should be able to find products easily, add items to the cart without headache, and complete purchase with a few simple clicks. Any hiccups along the way can cost you a sale, so pay attention to every detail. Also remember, not all your customers will be using the same device or browser. So make sure to preview your site on different devices and browsers to ensure compatibility and an optimal user experience. The goal here is to provide a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience to all your visitors, regardless of the device they use. Once tested, your e-commerce site is ready to go live and start selling. You've just set up your own e-commerce site using WordPress and WooCommerce. What a journey it's been. We started with a simple idea, an e-commerce site. We selected WordPress, a versatile platform to bring this idea to life. With WordPress set up, we moved on to WooCommerce, a powerful tool that transformed our site into a fully functional online store. The next step was to add products to our store and set up payment gateways. We understood the importance of how our store looked, so we spent time customizing its appearance. Finally, we tested everything to ensure it was ready for launch. But remember, this is just the beginning. There are countless ways you can further customize and optimize your site. Experiment with different themes, plugins, and SEO strategies. The world of e-commerce is vast and full of opportunities. Dive into the world of e-commerce, expand your market, and watch your business grow.